In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your schedule by adding a touch of emoji magic to your Google Calendar. Whether you're looking to make your calendar a bit more visually appealing or just want to add a fun element to your routine, this guide will show you how to easily incorporate emojis into your events on Google Calendar. To start with, let's head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing in calendargoogle.com into your web browser and logging into your Google account. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by your weekly schedule view, showcasing all the events, tasks, and appointment schedules you've got lined up. Now you're probably wondering how to sprinkle some emoji fun into your itinerary. First, let's either create a new event or select an existing one that you want to enhance with an emoji. For this demonstration, imagine we're creating a brand new event. Simply click on the Create button, usually found on the top left corner of your calendar interface. With the event creation window open, it's time to give your event a name. This is where you'll start adding personality to your schedule. As you type in the name for your event, hold that thought because the real fun is about to begin. Now let's switch gears for a moment and search for a handy website, getomoji.com. This site is your one-stop shop for thousands of emojis at your fingertips. So go ahead and open a new browser tab, type in getomoji.com and hit enter. This site presents a vast array of emojis, neatly organized for you to browse through. Once you've found the perfect emoji to express the vibe or importance of your event, simply click on it. The beauty of this site is that with just a click, the emoji is automatically copied to your clipboard, making it super convenient. Let's head back to Google Calendar now. In the event title field where you entered the name of your event, place your cursor at the desired spot and paste in the emoji. You're now visually elevating the look of your event. And don't limit yourself to just the title. The description field is also a great place to add more emojis for additional context or flair. Once you're satisfied with how your event looks, take a moment to admire your handiwork. You'll find that the simple inclusion of emojis can add a colorful, engaging touch to your schedule, making it much easier and more delightful to navigate. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added emojis to your Google Calendar, giving your planning a fun, personalized twist. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helped bring a playful spirit to your scheduling habits. Keep exploring new ways to make your digital life more enjoyable, and I'll see you in the next video.